Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City this afternoon. Today I'd like to present to you this 29.3 Thor Ace. This is a 2018 model. Great family coach for getting away on the weekends. Come inside, let's take a look around. Okay, this coach has a nice walk-around queen bed with lots of great storage. These little nightstand areas are nice with power on each side. Good wardrobe closet here. And plenty of drawers for storage. Little vanity area here with more drawers. Nice sized TV for the bedroom area. This is a great little pantry in the kitchen with a couple of slide outs here. Comes with a 2-door gas electric refrigerator. This coach also has an oven, gas oven with a 3-burner cooktop and a microwave. Nice counter space here. Great windows in this coach. Makes it nice and light and airy. The bathroom area is all in one. It has a good sized shower. Nice storage, countertop space. Here we have a nice sized dinette and a couch directly across, which makes it nice if you have a group of people. You can actually sit across from each other and visit. The 2 chairs in the front of the cab also turn around. And this also has a good sized TV here. This is a drop-down bed here, a power bed. So you could actually sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 people in this coach for a 29-footer. This comes on a Ford V10 chassis. And it has a work station for the passenger up front too. Great little cubby for shoes as you enter the coach. You can kick them off there. Here's your propane. More storage. This has an outside TV underneath the nice big awning. And this is one of my favorite parts about this coach, the outside kitchen. This coach also has a ladder on the back if you need to access the roof. And we won't go any farther here because we're pretty packed in. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach that we have here at Guaranty, please feel free to call me at the number you see below or my cell number, 541-505-0292. Thank you.